Good morning everyone and welcome to day 2 of the Milan vlogs. We are currently walking all the way up to the rooftop of the Duomo, which is the cathedral here, the famous cathedral in Milan. I'm completely shattered already and I doubt we're even halfway up. So I'm going to put the camera down so I can focus on getting up these stairs. Okay, so we've made it up to the top of the Duomo and I'm absolutely shattered. But wow, it's absolutely beautiful. Let's just head up here, like a different kind of view. Wow, that's amazing. So we've just been taking some Instagram photos and some content for Reels as well, so check out @OneGlue360 because I'm posting so many Reels at the moment. I'm absolutely loving Reels. Look at the incredible view behind. It's such a beautiful cathedral. Like I said in yesterday's vlog, I think the most beautiful cathedral I've ever seen. Probably closely followed by La Sagrada Familia, but yeah, it's so beautiful and we're going to continue walking around because there's so much more to explore. So we are currently still, oh, where are you? There you are. We are still currently walking around and everyone's gone basically because we've been taking so long to take photos, but we've been getting, I think, the money shot. And yeah, we just stood admiring the beautiful view, listening to the music that's going on down below. And yeah, I don't actually know how far we can walk around, but I think we just sort of keep going really. We'll probably be here for at least another hour because we keep taking photos at every opportunity. But yeah, let's have a little explore through here. Yeah, it looks very much the same, which I'm not complaining about because it's very beautiful. Just look, like up there. Oh wow, can you go up there as well? We can go even higher, that's cool. This is awesome, I'm so glad we decided to do this. Oh, here we go, we're going upstairs. We're gonna go up even higher. I'll show you the beautiful view. Okay, so we are now very much on the rooftop of the cathedral. It's absolutely beautiful. The sun is shining. It's just amazing. We've been taking so many more photos, as I keep saying, but I mean, this is beautiful. I think Milan is one of the most beautiful cities that I've ever been to, like especially in the centre. It's just amazing. Look at the view out here. Incredible. Amazing, honestly. Oh, it's so warm, and I'm literally wearing black flares, so I'm so warm right now, but amazing, beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, so we're now just making our way down the steps and we're hoping it leads us to the actual cathedral itself. I'm pretty sure within the ticket it says rooftop and cathedral. But yeah, we booked this with Get Your Guide. I'll leave the link in the description so you can book this tour. It was really cheap, I'd say really good value for money. The rooftop's beautiful. If you want to get lots of good Instagram photos, I'd say it's one of the best places in Milan to do that. And yeah, hopefully we get to see the beautiful inside of the cathedral as well, but I will of course let you guys know when we reach the end of these steps, which I'm sure there are many, as it was a pretty big climb up to the top. ROOFTOP bag, only joking, I'm off to get some pizza. This is what I'm eating for lunch, delicious pizza, and look, all the options down there. Looks amazing! We've got the same, haven't we? Yeah, for that, and I've got a Sprite. Lovely jubbly. So we've just finished off our lunch, which was pizza, which I showed you some footage of. It was absolutely delicious and it was literally £4, which is so cheap. We're now heading to the place where we are doing our free walking tour. As I mentioned in previous vlogs, I'm a massive fan of free walking tours, and this one is an art, history and culture tour of Milan. It's 3 hours long, so it's going to take us until 5:30. I'm really looking forward to it. We've only really explored the centre of Milan so far, so it'll be really good to sort of explore different areas, different neighbourhoods in Milan. So we're just heading now. She's got a yellow umbrella, she said on her message. So yeah, gonna head over now, and of course I will show you the tour as we do it.
And I'll change it. Now, I was born in the countryside, 60 kilometers from here.
So we have reached the halfway point of the tour and we are currently at a castle of some sort. We have been walking all over Milan, haven't we? Yeah. Getting our steps in. We've probably got done about 9,000 steps now. We've been averaging, was it 14,000 a day? Yeah. So we're certainly getting our steps in. Halfway through, and honestly this tour is just so full of information. It is so good, would highly recommend. Okay, so we've just finished our free walking tour. It is now 25 to 6 and we are going to head back to the hostel. I think we're both pretty shattered after walking around for 3 hours, but what an incredible free walking tour it was. I'd highly recommend doing this particular tour. I'll leave a link in the description to the tour. We gave €10 each, which I think is such a good price. You can give anything you want really, but I think like 10 to 15 euros is like super reasonable for the tour. She was super energetic, she was so informative, so I'd highly recommend it. Okay, so we are just heading out for dinner. We're heading to a place called Tripper. We heard from our tour guide this afternoon that, well, we know that risotto is delicious, but she said that you need to try the risotto here in Milan. So we have found a place that does risotto, which is right next to the restaurant we went to yesterday. So it's super close, like 2 minutes from our hostel. We are absolutely both starving. We've barely eaten all day. We've done like 14,000 steps. So we are definitely due a good big meal this evening, but yeah, we're just heading there now and I will show you the food when we order it. Okay, so change of plan. Tripper is actually fully booked, which I'm not surprised because it had 4.5 rating on TripAdvisor, and also it's a Friday evening, which I think we sort of forgot about actually, in that it's probably going to be a lot busier. We're going to head basically past the restaurant we went to yesterday and try and find somewhere in the local area because we don't want to venture too far because we're both really tired. Okay, so we have just finished a delicious dinner. We were looking for risotto, but we had pasta instead, as we had to find a different restaurant to the one that we initially hoped to go to. But we're just heading back to our hostel now, so I'm going to end the video there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.